Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Audison, and today's video is all about a Porsche Cayman GTS that we've upgraded with a completely wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay kit. If you are new to our channel, if you haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, we've got that massive 10K subscriber giveaway competition live on our channel already. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 disc edition controller, as well as an Audison Prima amplifier, so you guys can upgrade the sound in your vehicle. But let's get on with today's video. This customer's actually travelled all the way over from Bristol to us here in Cambridge to have the installation carried out in controlled workshop environments by our team, which makes us very, very proud. And he actually saw us on one of our previous YouTube videos that we did a full system like this on there. However, we're filming a whole new video to showcase what exactly we've done. In terms of the solution, we've taken out the dated radio from Porsche. We've actually removed that, dismantled that, and added new PCB boards and electronic components to actually add what's called wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto functionality live directly into that unit. So you've got a full stock look, but you've also got all this added functionality now live packed into that unit. But it is actually the same original unit. So what we do is dismantle everything, PCB board goes in, there's a whole host of wiring that basically goes in, glove box gets removed. Plus we've also used, run the USB cable directly from the unit down into the actual armrest as well, which does take a little bit more time. However, it's a really, really nice solution to hide that out of the way. So that gives you charging facility there, but also what that allows for is to obviously wired connection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto if you do choose to do that. However, this system has got full wireless connectivity, so you literally jump in the car, you've got your phone in your pocket, for instance, and you've got full connectivity live directly onto that Porsche screen. However, it's now got all the new modern features live directly, full in color as well. Everything works seamlessly through the factory system, but obviously now with all this added functionality. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. You've seen the whole process of actually installing something like this onto this car, and hopefully you've subscribed to the channel, because we've got to give away those massive, awesome prizes to one lucky winner when we hit 10K subscribers. So thank you very much for watching, guys. We look forward to seeing you soon.